Hello class, and so here we are. We finish our discussion on modernism, and it was a good discussion overall. You guys were in charge of posting your questions. It's what we call student-directed discussion, and it was a lot of interesting questions in both my classes. You guys talked about Picasso and Cubism and shocking, in the new imagery, and nudist again. We talk about nudity in the arts and the effect it had on the population at the time. A lot of really good questions. Sometimes a little too many of the what if questions, and those are always difficult to answer. What would have happened if something was different, if something hadn't happened. They're interesting questions, but they're usually very difficult to answer because it's just basically a speculation. But really good questions, excellent answers from most of you. Some of you are still posting late, so please make an effort to try and post as early as you can. And that's about it. It was a really good week. You guys made it really easy. So that's about it. I'll see you in the discussions. Next week is midterm, exam 1 week. Remember that your study guide is inside Unit 5, and you have a number of questions in the study guide. Those are the questions that will be in the exam, so prepare them well. You'll have an opportunity to prepare the answers very well ahead of time, so do that and contact me if you have any questions. Bye.